Hello and welcome muli sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen.
Gagawa tayo ngayon ng creamy chicken casserole. And here are the following ingredients. For ating first step, mag-preheat lang tayo ng pan at i-add natin yung butter to melt. Kapag tunaw na yung ating butter, pwede na natin i-add yung chopped chorizos. Kasama ko na rin yung onion, pati na rin yung garlic. At continue lang natin ng paggisa hanggang sa lumambot yung ating onion. Pwede na rin natin i-add yung 2 to 3 tablespoon ng flour. Continue lang natin ang paggisa for about 2 minutes. Pwede na rin natin i-add yung 1 piece ng chicken cube. Isasama ko na rin yung hotdogs or ham. Depende sa inyo kung anong gusto nyong gamitin. Then pwede na rin natin i-add yung 1.5 cups ng mixed vegetables. At yung ating 1/3 cup ng mushrooms. Sliced mushroom ang ginamit ko. Isasama ko na rin yung 1 cup ng chicken broth. At yung ating 2 cups ng milk. Haluin lang natin to. Isi-season na rin natin to ng salt and pepper to taste. Adjust nyo na lang according to your taste. At ihaluin natin to at isi-simmer natin to hanggang sa kumulo. Ganitong kumukulo na, pwede na natin i-add yung shredded boiled chicken. Haluin lang natin ito at isi-simmer natin ito hanggang sa lumapot yung ating sauce. There are so many ways kung paano natin ito isa-serve. After 10 minutes, malapot na yung ating sauce. Pwede na natin i-turn off yung heat. And there you have it, our creamy chicken casserole. One isinerd ko with mashed potato at yung isa naman ginamit kong sauce for pasta. Sana magustuhan niyo itong recipe na ito and share it with your friends. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Ako po si Aling Oday. Magkita-kita ulit tayo sa aking susunod na video. Salamat! Bye! Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram.